You can connect Google Scholar with San Jose State University so that it will be an efficient way to search for scholarly articles and books. You can adjust its settings and search all of the library's databases and connect directly with articles with Find It at SJSU. Here are the steps you need to take in order to connect Google Scholar to San Jose State University Library. Go to Google Scholar by typing scholar.google.com in the address bar. Click the menu icon on the top left. Click the Settings link. Click Library Links. Type San Jose State University into the search box. Then click Search. The university will now be an option under the search box. Check the box for San Jose State University and then click Save. Do a sample search. If the university has access to an article, then a Find It at SJSU link will show up on the right side of the title. When you find an article that you want and it has the Find It at SJSU link, when you click on the link, it will take you to the library's website. Sign into the library's website to see what your options are for the article. Click the database name to go to the article. You may have to sign in a second time because the database is run on a different server, or you may be off campus. Google Scholar is now connected to the San Jose State University Library and databases.